Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making fruit punch juice, and I've got my ingredients here: pineapple, I've got some melon, I've got some frozen mango, and I've got oranges, lemon, grapefruit, lime, and I've got some dates here to sweeten my fruit punch. I won't be using sugar. Guys, stop using so much sugar. It's not good for you. So you substitute like honey, dates, and other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my melon and all of my fruits.
As you watch me chop my fruits, I just want to encourage someone today that may be feeling down or going through some tough times. I just want to let you know that you can do all things through Christ who strengthened you. Don't give up, keep pushing, pray, and give all your problems to God. Be encouraged today, and I just want to let you know that you are not alone. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and continue watching my video to see how I finish off my fruit punch. Love you guys for watching.
Now I'm gonna cut my pineapple. So this is how I peel my pineapple. I just cut the top bit off like so. Then I'm gonna throw this bit, and then I peel my pine like so. It's very easy to peel the pine like this. Very, very, very easy. Yeah, so peel your pine like so. That's how you peel the pine. You're just gonna cut the bottom bit off like so. Get these little dark bits out that will scratch you, so just get those little dark bits out that left when you peel the pine, so it doesn't scratch you when you're drinking your juice. And so guys, now you're gonna cut your pineapple like so. Yeah, and you're gonna just do so, and then you do it in chunks. I'm gonna just put it over here in the bowl and just cut it like so. Here. So now I'm gonna squeeze my oranges. Just make sure you wash them, and then you're just gonna cut your orange like so. I can put it on the board if you can't cut it like this. I'm just basically gonna cut out the middle bit, and I'm gonna put it in here, just squeeze it out. So guys, you can use a chopping board for this if you don't know how to cut orange out like so. Okay, you don't want to hurt yourself when you're in the kitchen, yeah? So I'd advise you get your chopping board. Don't try to be skillful like me. Get that chopping board, or you can do so, and just peel it off like so, giving you more options. Just put it inside of the orange squeezer. So you're gonna do this procedure with all of the orange, the lemon, and the grapefruit here, and I'll show you guys when I finish squeezing it. So this is the orange, the grapefruit, the lemon, and the lime all mixed together here, ready to throw in the blender. This is the dates. So you know that dates, it's got a seed inside of it, and it is extremely hard. So make sure that you cut the dates and you take the seed out and you throw it in the bin. This is the substitute of sugar. We're not going to use sugar because this is really sweet, and it has a good flavor, and it's got fiber. It's very good. It's got a lot of health benefit with dates. You can research that. And yeah, so this is gonna be our sugar substitute. So make sure you cut it like so, open, and you take this seed out and you throw it away. So now we are going to go into blending up all our fruits to get our fruit punch done. So stay tuned. I'm going to put my pineapple and melon inside of the blender. So melon and pineapple first. We're going to blend some first because we don't want to throw everything in at once. So we just put a bit of the melon, bit of the pineapple, and we blend it. As we go along, we just blend it. Put some more pineapple. Now we're gonna put our blender lid on. You put your blender lid on. And now we're gonna put it to blend. To take this off because it's quite hard to take off, and then I'm gonna pull it out like so. Yeah. Now after, ooh, oh, it smells so good, man. I wish you could smell the aroma. And now I'm just gonna put the rest of my fruits in. Yeah, so put the rest of your fruits in. You wanna add it bit by bit, and I'm gonna put in a bit of mango this time. Let me just do this way. Throw it like that because I want to get the juice in as well. And you don't have to take out the melon seed. You know, melon seeds, there's a lot of benefits in there. So eat your melon seeds. So now I am going to close my blender once again. And we're going to blend this fruit punch up again.
If you have reached to this point, I just want to say thank you for watching my video.
Okay, and if you can see, it's like smooth, like this blender. It's a very good blender and it's very powerful. So, you know, I don't think I'm going to strain this, but you've got the option. If you want to strain it, you strain it. Even though there's like melon seeds in it, there are good benefits in it, as I said. So I will drink it with the melon seeds and everything because the benefits are likely more to be in the seeds rather than even the red bit of the melon. So always eat the seeds. Eat the fruits, eat the seeds. Unless it's like dates where it's very hard and you know your teeth can't crack it, you just put that in the bin. But melon, your teeth can crack it, and there's a lot of benefits out of eating melon seed. So it's good for parasites too. So eat your melon seed. Now I'm going to blend it again to make it more smooth, and then I will add my orange and grapefruit, lemon and lime to it, and then I will put my dates. So guys, I'm gonna take off my blender now and I'm gonna open it. It's a bit hard to open, so I gotta put my back into it. Oh my god, guys, can you see that? Ooh, that looks so good. Now we're gonna add our oranges and stuff. Just throw it in, and then we're gonna add some of the dates. As we said, we're not using no sugar. This is all natural stuff from Mother Earth. That's how we should be eating, and cut out all of them sweet stuff here, you know. So I just put all my dates in, and now I am going to blend again. Woo! Well blended. All the fibers and everything in this. So I won't be straining it. I'll be drinking it just like this, thick and nice. So I'm gonna now serve it up in my jug, and I put some in a mug and I'll taste it for you guys. So stay tuned. am going to pour my fruit punch into my jug. So I'm going to pour it in. There you go. Can you see that? Oh, that color is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that lovely color. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Woo! And I'm going to put some in my cup so I can taste it for you guys. Guys, I'm going to taste the fruit punch for you. I can taste that pineapple. It tastes good, man. I wish you could taste it. Cheers. It tastes really good, and you don't need sugar, and you don't need to strain this. It's basically, this blender makes it like smoothie. So you know when you get a smoothie, you don't have to strain it or nothing. So you should get a good blender to blend this, because it's up to you though. If you don't like smoothie taste like, you can strain it, but you're gonna lose the benefits of it. You're gonna lose all the fibers and stuff. So don't strain it, just leave it as it is, because it tastes good. And you can chill it. I just finished making it, but you can chill it. It tastes good. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and I'll be coming up with new videos, new juice, new recipe. And I thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please just click that button. It's free. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.